Good morning, student. I am Vishal Anand. Today we are going to complete chapter 21 and 22 in GK. Now, so chapter 21 is famous Indian singers. In this chapter, we identify the famous Indian singers and write their names. We have used the help box also. Now, first picture is she is Monali Thakur. The name of the singer is Monali Thakur. Now, second picture is this. The name of the singer is Sunidhi Chauhan. Sunidhi Chauhan. Now, third picture, we identify the third picture. The third picture is this. The name of the singer is Arijit Singh. Arijit Singh. Now, come on the fourth picture. The fourth picture is this. She is Neha Kakkar. The name of the singer is Neha Kakkar. And fifth one is this. Fifth one picture. He is Arman Malik. Arman Malik. Picture number 6. Picture number 6. She is Kanika Kapoor. Okay, right? Now, come on, picture number 7. Identify this picture. He is Mika Singh. Mika Singh. Now, last picture is this. He is Shan. Singer Shan. The name of the singer is Shan. Okay. Now, we have in this exercise we have 3 questions. In here we pick the correct option. We choose the correct option in this section. Now, we have a question. The question is, who among the following is the only Indian singer who has received 7 national awards? The name of singer is KJ Yasudas. The right option is KJ Yasudas. Second one. Question number 2. Who among the following female singer has received 6 national awards? The name of singer is K.S. Chitra. K.S. Chitra. Okay. Now, question number 3. Who among the following has a prominent ghazal singer? The name of singer is Jagjit Singh. Now, 4th and last. Who among the following is considered the melody queen? The right answer is Lata Mangeshkar. Now, chapter 21 is completed. Come on, chapter number 22. The name of this chapter is Nicknames of Great Indian. In this exercise, we have given the picture of some great Indians and their nickname. We write their real name and use the use of help box. Now, the first image is, and that his name is Mahatma. And his real name is, the nickname of this picture is Mahatma, and the real name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. The real name of Mahatma is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. And second is Iron Man. The real name of Iron Man is Vallabhbhai Patel. And Vallabhbhai Patel's nickname is Iron Man. Now, question number 3. Netaji. And the real name of Netaji is Subhash Chandra Bose. 4th nickname is Shahid-e-Azam. The 4th nickname is Shahid-e-Azam. The real name of Shahid-e-Azam is Bhagat Singh. Okay. Bhagat Singh's nickname is Shahid-e-Azam. Now, question. Come on, question number 5. Lokmanya. The real name of Lokmanya is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. The real name of Lokmanya is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. 6. Punjab Kesari. The real name of Punjab Kesari is Lala Lajpat Rai. The real name of Punjab Kesari is Lala Lajpat Rai. Come on, 7. Mahamana. The real name of Mahamana is Madan Mohan Malviya. Okay. The real name of Mahamana is Madan Mohan Malviya. 8th and last. Nightingale of India. The real name of Nightingale of India is Sarojini Naidu. Okay. We have B section in this chapter. In here, in the field of art, music and literature, we identify the real name of these people. Now, Gurudev. The real name of Gurudev is Rabindranath Tagore. It means Rabindranath Tagore's nickname is Gurudev. Now, second, Swar Kokila. The real name of Swar Kokila is Lata Mangeshkar. Third one is Shakespeare of India. The real name of Shakespeare of India is Kalidas. Come on, 4th. Grandfather of Indian film. The real name of grandfather of Indian films is Dhundiraj Govind Palge. Okay, right? Now we have C section in this. Here we identify the sportsman. Their nickname is given and we find the real names. Okay. Now, first one is Payoli Express. The real name of Payoli Express is P.T. Usha. Second, Flying Sikh. The real name of Flying Sikh is Milkha Singh. Milkha Singh's nickname is Flying Sikh. Master Blaster. The real name of Master Blaster is Sachin Tendulkar. Now last and fourth is Mahi. The real name of Mahi is Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Now student, chapter 22 is also completed. Now this is all for today. Thank you.